if this is your first fried turkey or you're just not really super familiar with fried turkey, just some things to be aware of. Let's use the fried chicken as a reference because everyone knows what that is. When you fry chicken, you cut the chicken up into pieces and you batter the pieces, and all the protein and skin is protected in the batter. So when you fry it, it's just all beautiful, moist meat inside. Well, a turkey is not fried in the batter. It is fried raw in its skin, and the skin is the only protection that it has. Well, there's going to be nicks and skin. There may be a spot that opens up just by the way it naturally fits on the bird, and some of those spots may turn a dark brown, and they're really just not that edible. So we just peel them off like we were cutting off skin off of a fish, or when you do a roast and you have a hard part on the outside, same thing. You just remove that part. It's sacrificial. You can't eat it. But that's why we do a 12 or 13 pound turkey to serve 6 people, because you have to have some extra byproduct from the turkey. When it cooks fried, you are going to lose some of that. So that's normal. Don't worry about that. Just get down to that beautiful, tender meat that's below those spots, and you're going to love it.